shoebox full of banknotes that he earned from his notebook full of damn quotes. Examined by a team of scientists in lab coats. Studied all the rap goats, then barged past them like canal boats. He'll say anything to earn more black votes. Celebrating wins, they drank toasts. Best in the game, cast votes. Sick of it, intolerant, lactose. In fame he gloats. In Paris rocking mink coats, or in Bahamas docking big boats. In secret circles wearing black cloaks with black folks cracking slack jokes. Send a message in a bottle, see where that floats. They say his ego bloats. That's gross. You need to back up, not so close. Heavyweight like Junior Dos Santos. Bars iconic like what Twain wrote. Trading cases with the stranger in the raincoat. He's nice but he's full of vain boasts. Of his moves, better take note. They'll sacrifice him, he's a scapegoat, but he's that same bloke. Serious, more time, but he'll still make joke. Blow your brains like a pure strain of straight coke. Straight coke, straight coke.
You're late, alright? My name's Alan, Barry Allen, United States Secret Service. Your boy just tried to jump out the window. My partner has him in custody.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What, you think the FBI are the only ones on this guy? I mean, come on. Come on, he's dabbling in government checks here. Been following a paper trail on this guy for months now. Would you mind taking that gun out of my face? Please, really. It makes me nervous.
You see some credentials.
Yeah, sure. Take my whole wallet. You want my gun too? Come over here, take my gun. Hey, look, just do me a favor. Take a look outside. Look out the window. My partner's walking into the car as we speak. Look. Old guy almost pissed in his pants when I came to the door. He jumped right through the window onto the hood of my car.